guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon Pixma TS3351. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you step by step how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 546 and 545 black. 546 is color and 545 is black color. From the back, the power cable for this printer goes in here. 2 power cables is included in the packaging. This particular one is 3-pin and this second one is 2-pin. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store. It goes in here, the USB cable goes in here, and the flat end goes to the back of your PC. Once you connect it to your PC, then download the software using the CD disk provided. But if you haven't got the CD, you can go to Canon website and download the driver, okay, and software for this particular printer. So you just need to put the password, serial number of your printer, okay, put the number, okay, serial number of your printer, which this one is particular TS3351, okay, to download this disk to your PC, to your laptop, okay. Now this is a paper tray holder, so you load particular paper you are using, okay. Can you load A4 paper, B5, A5, 4x6, various sizes of paper right here, and adjust it with the holder, okay. Now turn this printer around. Here is the scanner, flatbed scanner. You load particular document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function, okay, and it will do the job. If you open this printer this way, the ink cartridges holder is right there waiting for us to change it, okay. So right now just waiting for us to install the ink, okay. I also want to bring the camera close for you to see and tell you some of the features, okay. In terms of these features, you switch this printer on and off button. This is wireless, okay. It's for you to connect Wi-Fi. This is information button. This is the Wi-Fi button, okay. And here you can see amber light with E4 showing on the LCD screen. It signifies that the ink is not yet installed. Once you store the ink, this light will go off, and this is for you to change to particular paper. You can change from photo paper to A4 paper to B5 to various sizes of paper. You just need to select it and press OK, okay. This is for you to cancel button. If you want to copy a document and change your mind, so you can cancel it from here. And this button here is for you to copy color document, to copy black, and this is for you to copy color. So you can see the color, with the color is showing blue, with the black is showing black. So if you want to print here, copy your document, for instance color black and white, then you press black. If you want to copy it color, then you press color, okay. So this is the overview right here. Now the other thing I want to mention is in terms of the printing speed. You can print, this printer prints up to 7.7 print per minute for black, okay, and also 4.0 print per minute for color. This printer is compatible with Windows, Apple AirPrint, Morea, and you need Canon Print Inject Selfie app to be able to print, scan with this printer. And also you also need Easy Photo Print Editor app to do a lot of creative work with this printer. Okay, so you just need to check what you want to do, but this gear deserves your attention. Right now, what we want to do is, without taking much of a time, what I want us to do is basically to install, show you how to install the ink. To install the ink, click it, open up right here, and what we need to do right now is for you to decide. So we'll go with the color. Okay, now what we need to do is just pull off. Okay, and you need to go in, push up. Okay, so the color goes to the left first, on the left. Okay, go in, okay, it's in. So push it, pull it up. You hear a click sound, so it's in. Now the next thing we need to do is also do the same thing to black. Remember, we have amber light here. Once you install the ink and everything is fine, then the light will go off. Okay, so I'm going to remove it, then go in to the black. Okay, so pull it up. If you want to remove it, press down and remove. Okay, just with one finger, just need to press it down. Okay, now it's in. What we need to do now is close it and give it time. You can see what it's doing right now is circulating, and the light here is no longer there. The light is no longer here. Okay, so we just need to wait now for this to be ready. You can see the light is no longer showing. Okay, so right now you can see the light is gone off. Now you can see the Wi-Fi light is flashing. Why it's flashing is because it's not yet connected to the network. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. It will be steady. Okay, at the moment you can see the light that is flashing here. You can see right now. Okay, and also from the screen you can see the light, the signal for the Wi-Fi is, okay, this is the Wi-Fi is flashing. Once it's connected, it will be a steady black. It will no longer be flashing, and you can see the amber light that was here is no longer there, so it recognizes that the ink is installed. Okay, and so basically this is how to install the ink. And if you want to open it up again, just open it up. Once you open it up, the ink will come right in the middle. Ink holder will come right in the middle. You can see for you to change it. It does this automatically, so it's there right now. And once if you close it, it will move away from there and go. Make sure if you close it properly, okay, it will move away from the middle. Okay, so this is how to install the ink. I'm going to show you on my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.